Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is 8th chapter, that is soil. Okay students, you know very well soil is very important factor for the all living organisms, and also especially it is very essential part of that for plants. Without soil, the plants cannot hold firmly or cannot stand erectly. Okay, so friends, it is very essential for the all living organisms and for the cultivation also, and a different we are going to study about this, how that soil is forming and what are the essential factor or what is the importance for us. We will discuss in this chapter. Before going to chapter, just we will discuss about that what are the learning objects in this chapter we are going to study. So first of all, we will study about that soil and its importance. What is the soil and what are the its importance. Second, we will go for the formation of soil, how the soil is forming. Third, soil profile, what are the different types of soils and what are the ranges of the soils, and a composition of soil, how that made of, how the composition of the soil, and a properties of soil. Different types of soils are there, different characteristics like that. Suppose black soil is there and red soils are there, so we will discuss about that. Soil and crops, how it depends upon the soil the crops are developing, which soil is very important and which one is essential important soil and which one not essential. We can understand about that with related to the crops. And next we will discuss about that soil erosion. Soil erosion means the soil is removing one place to another place, and that is called as a soil erosion. Okay students, so first of all we will discuss about that soil and its importance. Students, you know that soil means what? That no, it is one Latin word came from that, derived from the Latin word, that is solum. Solum means that is upper layer of, that is our earth materials. Okay, earthly material is called as a solum. Solum actually is one Latin word and which means is that is called as a soil. Okay, the soil is derived from the Latin word, that is solum. Solum means that is earthly material, means whatever the soil, that is earth material. Okay, material things. Students, these are actually how it is forming, whatever that, how the soil is forming. That actually you know the students, when the soil, you know, it is derived, it is coming from the by the broken of that rocks. Okay, by the broken of the rocks when टूट जाता उसको क्या हो जाता, सॉइल होता. एक्चुअली कैसे होता, उसको डिफरेंट फैक्टर, डिफरेंट एक्टिव एजेंट रहता कि क्या क्या रहता, वो विंड रहता, वो रेन रहता, वो टेम्परेचर रहता, that means cold means ice also रहता. So that means different factors, the different agents are acting on the to formation of the soil. Okay students, so let us see that what are the soil and how it is forming. We will discuss in this video. Okay, let us see students. So first is the soil. Solum means earthly material. It is one Latin word, solum came, that solum means earthly material. Okay, it is the uppermost layer of the earth crust in which plants grow. Actually uppermost layer, if you see of that earth, that is called as a soil. If you go to the down, you won't get like this soil. You will get that hardest substance, that is like stones or other materials like metal substances. Soil contains 0.01 of the earth's water. Whatever that water is there, that from that 0.01% is what is that soil. It helps to plants by holding their roots firmly. It also, soil helps mainly, what is the students, it helps to that plants to stand, to hold firmly. They will, that a plant can stand erectly. Okay, if there is no roots, no soil, then what will happen? The roots cannot capture, cannot catch to that earth, and it will fall down and it cannot grow. And especially what is that soil can capture that water, our compost manures, and also water, which one the plant can collect that water from that soil also. Okay, if that rain is there, if there is no soil, then what will happen? That it will penetrate and it will go to that down, and the whereas water cannot get by the plants. So it is very essential for us, for the all the living organisms. Friends, now we will discuss about that how the formation of the soil कैसे made होता हो, कैसे सृष्टि होता. Okay, so we will discuss about that. What is that soil formation? How that soil is forming? Soil is formed from the breakdown of rocks by the action of water, ice, wind, climate, even by living organisms. Okay students, how that soil is formed students? Soil is very important factor, and how it is forming is the soil, whatever you are seeing that in your around surrounding it, that it is by the breakdown. Breaking means by how, like by the some special agents like sunlight. Also sunlight, it will fall, that it will give the temperature and it will break down. When wind will flow, then by the air, the small particles like from the stones, it will come out, that is becomes soil. And by heavy rain also, that stone will break down and it will form the soil. So this is the one process. And the process of the formation of the soil is the breakdown of the rocks is called weathering. So students, remember that what we should say? Weathering. Weathering is one of the process how the rocks are break down and forming the soil. That process is called as a weathering. Okay. Next one is studying students factors. The nature of soil form depends upon the following three factors. What are that soil are forming? What are the natures? That depending upon that, what are three factors? One is the rocks from the which it has been formed. The rocks from which it has been formed. From where that it has formed? Which rocks it has formed? Second, the type of vegetation that grows in it, and how whatever that vegetations like plants and other things are, how they are growing up. Third one, the climate of the place. What are the surroundings? How the surroundings of that places. So these are the three factors of the nature of the soil. If you will find out that nature of the soil, it should be see that these three factors. What type of, suppose you have seen that students, you are in the basmati, if you will see that soil of the nature soil, in that you will check that compared to that other places like suppose Odisha, that soil is a difference because of that with this different three factors. Which rocks that soil formed, and what is that surroundings, what are the climate. So if you Rajasthan soil, if you will see there, every time we will see that sands, like you will see that soil is like a stones, one big particles, the size is big than that your basmati, that places whatever the black soil we have seen. Okay, it is very good for that our agriculture. But in Rajasthan, if that go for that desert, that third desert, if you will see, that is not good for that our agriculture, because that soil is different. So we will study that what is the profile of that soil in the next video. Okay friends, so these are about the main things about that what is that soil, and how that what is that main importance for the soil for us, and how the soil is forming. Already you have learned, and next we will discuss about that what is that soil profile and composition of the soil in the next video. Okay, thank you, bye.